So I thought it might be a nice morning for a farm tour. Get lots of people asking questions about what I'm growing and where. And so the first row is shelling peas. Second row is sugar snap peas. Those are about done. That row I think is orange carrots. These are boro beets, red beets. This is kale with Brussels sprouts in the back. This is the next round of sugar snap peas. This is sweet corn. Had some poor germination there. This actually, both of these rows were lettuce, like 500 rows or 500 heads of lettuce each, and I've already harvested them and then replanted the corn after that in the second succession. And then this is, I think, carrots and edamame. Then this one was also all lettuce, so another 500 heads, so I've been through 1,500 so far this season. And over at the other end, I've got bush beans in the middle. I've got some pole beans, a different variety, and then fennel down here, just filling up space. More carrots. This is leeks. Love those. Some onions. I think these are red, probably red onions. And then white and yellow onions with a row of leeks down the middle. That was my first attempt at leeks with the paper pot transplanter. This was also a row or a bed of 500 lettuce, so I guess that's 2,000 heads I've been through this season. And then I just redressed that out, and this is all brassicas, so there's kale at this end because I don't have enough kale, broccoli, cauliflower, and more carrots, older succession of broccoli. Those are pretty yummy. Probably gonna pick those later today. Those were all under row cover. These are, looks to be cauliflower and cabbage down at the other end. These are Chiaga beets and golden beets. More carrots. Probably two different varieties of potato here. I think probably Norland and Magic Molly. Magic Molly's the purple ones with the purple inside. Pretty excited about those. More carrots. This is flour corn. And this is a good example here where earlier this week I harvested there probably 300 heads of lettuce. And then I don't know if there's 100 left here. And I'll come back. I've already redressed the other end. And I got to cut this now, maybe today or tomorrow. And then sell that, redress this, and I need some turnips in the ground. So I'll probably do those this week. And this is a second succession of broccoli that did not get row covered. So you can see it does not look nearly as healthy as the other stuff. Flea beetles just kick my butt. More potatoes. I try to separate the potatoes by a few rows because when the Colorado potato beetles move in, at least having some degree of separation is handy. Although, knock on wood, they haven't been around too bad this year. These are black beans, turtle beans. It's a dried bean. Another 2 rows of potatoes. That, my friends, is watermelon. Pretty excited. I was out weeding this. And there's little baby watermelons in here. You can't really see them with the camera right now, but they're there. Then zucchini at the other end. And that's winter squash. And this is cantaloupes, although watermelons and cantaloupes don't really grow here. That's just me grasping at straws. Another succession of lettuce. So the stuff that I just took the picture of, that's the oldest, so they'll get harvested first, and then next weekend these 500 are next. Some younger carrots, That's the next round of sugar snap peas with some dragon's tongue bush beans on either side. Then this is even younger lettuce. So I guess that makes 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 3,500. So here's some tomatoes. Those are for me. Those aren't for sale. Those are my paste tomatoes. So this is, I think this bed will be, on average, 500 a bed. This will be 3,500 heads of lettuce, and I have one more succession to put in, and then I'm done. And these are more carrots and more beets. Of course, I ran out of space, so back over there used to be woods a little while ago, and that's all, oh, that's crappy, sorry. That's pumpkins and gourds and some more cucumbers for pickling and all that stuff. So very, very cool garden this year. Hope you enjoyed the tour.